Hello everyone, I am Jala. Welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I spoke about the words related to money. People use some sayings and proverbs about money. Money doesn't grow on trees. Money makes money. Money can't buy happiness. We agree, but money can be a significant part of our life. In today's lesson, I am gonna speak about some phrasal verbs and idioms related to money. So let's get started. To be strapped for cash. To be strapped for cash. It means have no money available. I'd like to buy this shirt, but can you give me a few bucks until payday? I am a little strapped for cash. Pinch pennies. Pinch pennies. Sure, I can, but I'm pinching pennies myself, and you still owe me $100. You borrowed last week. Make ends meet. Make ends meet means make enough money to live. I am fully in debt, and I can't seem to make ends meet these days. Land a great job. Land a great job means find a well-paid job. I heard you landed a great job, didn't you? Be loaded. Be loaded means have a lot of money. You have a well-paid job. You must be loaded. I think you have a lot of money. Be in debt. Be in debt. The situation of owing money, especially when you can't pay. Oh, I am in trouble. I am very sad. I don't have any job. Nobody lends me. I am in debt. Run out of money. Run out of money. Have no money. I bought lots of things. Now I have no money in my pockets, in my wallets. I have run out of money. Keep a budget or make a budget. Keep a budget means keep track of your expenses. You see where your money actually goes, and you can easily plan where to cut back on spending. A budget can help you to keep out of debt. You can make ends meet. It requires you to put away some money in savings. If you keep a budget, you can always have enough money for what you need. You can reach your saving goals. And what about you? What kind of person are you? Do you spend more than you earn, or can you keep a budget? You can write in the comments and let me know. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye!